Hello, this is Gary Crowley with DoItYourselfJointPainRelief.com, and this is video 2 of 3 videos for lower right back pain relief. On the first video we released this whole upper half of your right hip, and then later on did that just in case. But our main focus was this. In this video we're going to be focusing on basically these, the muscle on the inside, the muscle that runs on the inside of your pelvis. If you feel the 2 points in your hips that everybody has about at the level of your belt, if you feel in there and then you come back toward your belly button a little bit and dig in there, you'll find there's a muscle called your iliacus. And the way to get at this iliacus is to lay on your back, find that point, find that pointy part of your pelvis, come back toward your belly button, and then you're gonna, when you're in, come back about an inch maybe, and then you can press down and in to press on that iliacus muscle. So you press down and in, and if you have lower right back pain, this iliacus muscle is probably a little tight. And the nice thing about it is it usually lets go pretty easily. And again, you only want to press as deeply as you can relax into. So, you know, if it's tender, you want to feel that tenderness, but only press in as deeply as you can. And I'm doing a press pull release technique. Again, on my techniques page on my website, I run through how to do all these techniques. But basically all I'm doing is with my fingertips, I'm pressing on some tight tissue, and then I'm pulling on it, and then I'm releasing, and then I'm repressing on that tight tissue, I'm pulling on it, and I'm releasing, almost like I'm working with the tissue like it's clay or saran wrap that I'm trying to stretch. I'm not massaging it, I'm not rubbing it, I am pressing on it, and I'm basically stretching it or manipulating it like it's clay. So I'm just doing this. Then I take my other hand, so I press down and in, then I take my other hand, and this is where I'm getting my nice pressure from. This hand can basically stay pretty relaxed and not get too tired and just do that fine movement where I press with this hand to get my pressure. So I'm just press, pull, release, 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 press, pull, release. And I'm going to go from this pointy part of my hip, my anterior superior iliac spine here, this pointy part, all the way down, basically until I run into about my pubic bone, down there. And any of that tissue that's tight can be yanking on your lower back. And you can also, you can see I'm starting to just naturally want to do a little tuck motion there. So you can hold and just do that tuck motion. You can kind of do press, pull, release while you do that tuck motion. It's actually pretty effective. And when that releases, I want you to, or when the majority of it releases, I want you to stand up. And again, I want you to self-assess for your back and notice how much that helped. For a lot of you, if you've done this and this, I mean, those are 2 huge players for lower right back pain. And then, just because we want to be thorough, I would encourage you just to do the other side, just while you're here, while you know what you're doing. Not often with the iliacus muscle here, but you know, once in a while you release the opposite iliacus and it will actually help that lower right side back pain release. So this is video 2 of 3. Take your time, work on it as much as you want. In video 3, I'm going to be showing you how to release basically the opposite leg that is often a culprit in lower right back pain. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you at video 3. Thanks.